In this video, I'm going to show you how to slice in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Pixel Persona or Pixel Studio up top over here, and then you will need the knife tool. Now, to get the knife tool, usually by default, it's not going to be anywhere on here, so you want to click on those three dots where it says Customize Tools at the bottom left, and then it's going to open up this box where you should type in knife, like this, and then you can basically just hold it and drag it down here to the bottom, or of course wherever you want, and close this away. Now when you do this, of course you will need some text on your screen. This is going to look the best with chunky bulky text, but of course you can do it with any type of font, so it's completely up to you. I'm just going to use this text over here in the Anton font, and then you want to select that, you want to click on the knife tool, and you want to basically drag where you want the slice to be. So you could go freestyle like this. As you can see, I just basically drag it over. You could do whatever you wanted, but if you want a straight line, you could just hold down your shift key and then basically draw a straight line either like this, like that, or like that. So it's completely up to you. I'm just going to make one over here roughly at the middle. Okay, what this is going to do is it's going to split everything, and as you can see, it's now nothing has actually happened yet. So what you have to do is right click on the text and click on ungroup all. This is basically going to separate these different letters into half, as you can see, like that. And then what I would recommend is you actually group the top part and the bottom part into two groups. So to do this, just drag over the top, or basically click on the first part, then hold down your shift key, second, third, fourth, and then right click and click on the group, and then do the same thing for the bottom parts over here. And now we have two separate groups, as you can see over here on the right hand side. One is top, one is bottom. And when you've done that, you can then basically go ahead and slice this text. So for example, I'm going to move to the up a bit and to the left a bit, like that, with my arrow keys on my keyboard, or you could just do it like this as well. And my text is now actually already sliced, as you can see here on my screen. So if that looks cool to you, that's fine. If it doesn't, you could go ahead and change it to whatever you want to do. And then whenever you say, okay, that's cool, you could then go ahead and keep it like this, change colors. You could also add some nice gradients. So if I go to the top bit here, and for example to the vector tab, I could also go ahead and grab this, not fill tool, but the transparency tool, and then I could just like drag it down a bit like this to make kind of a transparency fade gradient effect. So it's completely up to you whatever you want to achieve here, but that's basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.